how to create portfolio in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio in Canva. You want to go to create a design and just enter in portfolio. Then you want to click on online portfolio. From there you've got all kinds of templates you can use to start your own portfolio. Let's say we click on this one, and here you see there are 10 pages you can use to make your own portfolio. If you want to add a page, you just click on the one and you see it will be put into the portfolio. If you want to add another page to your portfolio, you just click here on add page. Go to the left again and click on the next one. That way you can continue until you've got your portfolio completed. Of course, you don't have to use all your pages. I just do this now for an example. And from here you can alter it the way you want it. If you want to change the text, just click on the text, double click on it and change the name. As you can see here, there is a name. You can change it to your own name. But that's not all. You can also change the colors, change the font, whatever you want. You can right click and you can click on apply colors to page. As you can see, it changes the colors. And here you can edit the photo, you can change the photo. If you want to upload your own photo, you can go to Uploads in the left menu. Click on Upload Files, upload the correct picture. You can just drag it into this one. You can change all the text, you can change everything you want. Text, colors, fonts. If you want to change the font, you can just select the one you want to change. You go to the toolbar over here, and here you can select different kinds of fonts. This option makes you select the size of the letters. Here the colors, if you want it to be bold, if you want it to be in italics, if you want it to be underlined. If you want to create an online and send it online, you can also add some effects or animation. And once you've completed it and it's as you want it to be, you can also download it by going to the top here, click on share. Click on download, select the right file type. Once you're done, click on download and then it will be downloaded. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.